In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Google Sheets and Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect these powerful tools to automate tasks such as summarizing data, generating content, or analyzing information directly from your spreadsheet. This integration can save you valuable time and allow you to obtain AI-powered insights in an instant without ever having to leave Google Sheets. Now, let's dive into the steps. Today I'll demonstrate how to integrate Google Sheets with Zapier and ChatGPT using an example. We'll use ChatGPT's capability to analyze text sentiments to determine whether customer feedback is positive, negative, or neutral, and then record those sentiments right into Google Sheets. To get started, we need to select a trigger. The trigger is essentially what initiates this automated process. You have a variety of triggers to choose from, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to select a Google Forms new response as our trigger. Under Configuration, you'll need to choose the specific form that you want to work with. After that, it's essential to test this setup to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Give it a moment, and once the test is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Now, on to the action step. Here, you'll want to select ChatGPT. There are numerous action events available for ChatGPT, but for this demonstration, we'll focus on analyzing text sentiments. Under the configuration settings, you'll need to specify what you want ChatGPT to analyze. In our case, we'll input the text from Google Forms, specifically the feedback section. This allows ChatGPT to assess and determine the sentiment of the feedback provided by users. Finally, we need to record the sentiment into Google Sheets. To do this, click to add Google Sheets to your setup. You'll then be prompted to select an action event. For our example, I'll choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Under the configuration settings here, you'll have the opportunity to map out the specific data you want to record. This ensures that the sentiments detected by ChatGPT are accurately and systematically documented into your designated spreadsheet. To better illustrate what this looks like in practice, let's review a complete example of my Zap configuration. Here, you'll see the specific configurations I've applied for Google Forms, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets. Additionally, let me show you some examples of responses from the Google form. As you can see, the spreadsheet automatically analyzes and records the sentiments based on the user's responses. And there you have it. You now know how to connect Google Sheets with ChatGPT through Zapier. Feel free to experiment with this setup to see how it can further simplify and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.